How to set up DS4 Windows and connect PS4 controller to PC. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to set up DS4 Windows and connect PS4 controller to PC. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Setting up DS4 Windows and connecting a PS4 controller to your PC involves a few steps. Here's a full guide to get you started. Step 1. Download and install DS4 Windows. Download DS4 Windows. You can visit the DS4 Windows GitHub page to download. Now, download the latest version of DS4 Windows. Next, extract the files. Extract the downloaded zip file to a location of your choice. Now, install DS4 Windows. Open the extracted folder and run the ds4windows.exe file. During the first run, you will be asked where you want to save your settings and profiles. The default location is fine for most users. Step 2. Set up DS4 Windows. Initial step. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the necessary drivers. If prompted, install the Vice Emboss driver and the HID-Hide driver, which are essential for DS4 Windows to function correctly. Driver installation. Click on Step 1. Install the Vice Emboss driver and follow the instructions. Step 2. If on Windows 7 or below, install 360 driver. Step 3. Connect your PS4 controller. Option 1. Connect via USB. Plug in your controller. Use a micro USB cable to connect your PS4 controller to your PC. DS4 Windows should automatically recognize the controller. Option 2. Connect via Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on your PC. Ensure your PC has Bluetooth capabilities. If not, you can use a Bluetooth USB dongle. Now, pair your controller. Press and hold the PS button and the share button on the controller simultaneously until the light bar starts flashing. Go to your PC's Bluetooth settings and search for new devices. Select wireless controller from the list of devices and pair it. If prompted for a pairing code, enter 0000. Now, Step 4. Configure DS4 Windows. Open the DS4 Windows. Your controller should be listed in the Controllers tab. Create a profile now. Go to the Profile tab and create a new profile or edit an existing one. Customize the button mapping, sensitivity, and other settings as per your preference. Save the profile once done. Now, set as default profile. Ensure your customized profile is set as the default profile for your controller. Step 5. Testing. Test your controller. You can use the game controller settings in Windows to test if the buttons and sticks are working correctly. Open the Run dialog by pressing Win+R, type joy.cpl and press Enter. Select your controller and test the buttons and sticks. So, this is how you can set up DS4 Windows and connect PS4 controller to PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.